I'm Julie McDowell with Dandelions and Poppies. You're watching Hometalk. Today I'm going to take one white pillar candle and one paper napkin. The first thing we have to do is separate the layers of the napkin. We only want the top patterned layer. Most napkins have 3 layers, 1 patterned and 2 white. This one just happens to have 1 white layer underneath. So you very carefully pull them apart. I'm going to use the napkin to decorate the candle. I'm going to show you 2 different ways. The first one, I'm going to use a very soft artist paintbrush and some clear water. And because this napkin has quite a lot of white on it, I've decided I'm going to separate the images that I want, and then I can place them where I want on the candle. So painting all around the image with the wet paintbrush, I then can very carefully separate the part of the napkin that I don't want. And doing it this way, it gives it a very, very soft, feathery edge. If you cut it, you would have a very sharp edge, and that would show up when you apply it to the candle. So the next thing we're going to do is to apply this flower to the candle. And to do that, I'm going to use a regular hairdryer. The first thing I'm going to do is just warm up the candle a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my little bit of paper and holding it in place, turn the hairdryer on again. Okay, that's completely stuck to the candle now. What happens is as the wax melts underneath, as you're heating it, it comes through the paper and actually leaves a waxy surface on top of the tissue. So it actually feels like a candle now. The other way you can do this is by covering the whole candle with the napkin. And to do that, you separate the layers as we did before. And then I worked out the size that I needed by laying the candle on and using the water method, made a very feathery edge there. And taking the straight edge of the napkin side and this edge here, line that up, hold it in place, and using the hairdryer as we did before, then you end up with this. And this is completely covered in wax now. And here are some more candles that I made. It's actually very addictive, I do warn you. And imagine how impressed your guests would be if you had a candle that matched your napkins. Pretty cool. I hope you've enjoyed this episode and I have inspired you to have a go. I'm Julie McDowell. I'll see you next time.